Here we are.
Can I open it? Can I?
Go ahead.
Ta-da! There's a card. There's something for Sophia too. This. Okay.
What is it? Mama,
What is it? It's a pelican. Maybe from Florida.
who is this for?
That says Isabella. See? In cursive.
Ooh. What's this? You know what this sticker thing? I don't know.
Oh, red pizzas for a blue count. It's a Geronimo.
You must have
stick.
this. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Cute.
It's
It's a caterpillar or worm. Books, a Dora book and a Thomas book.
I don't. Oh, that's so cute.
Dress. Oh,
That is
so
so
cute. What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you. That's really cute, Izzy.
All right, here, I'll help you. Look,
Did you
those
get this
nice
stuff?
books
I like
you can
it.
read.
Wow.
Hold on, I'll help you.
Look at I got it. Wow.
It says that his name is
Say thanks to Grandma on the camera.
Teeny Babies. His name is
Thank
Inch.
you. Inch.
His name is Inchworm, and his name is Scoop, because he's a pelican. And
This
they
is
scoop.
a book.
It is a book, and this is a Dora puzzle.
Book.
Well, I
Yeah,
don't
I
know
think
if
it's
it's just.
a
I think
Dora.
it's just a puzzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's open it.
So cute.
Here, take the puzzle out.
Looks like you, Izzy. Happy birthday, Izzy.
Happy birthday.
Just say thank you. Here, pull
Num-
the puzzle out.
Number 4.
I can't. Oh,
Show it to me. What is it?
it's a puzzle.
Wow.
Can we do the puzzle?
Sure.
Can you open it?
It was so cold. I had
No. That.
oh buried. I buried.
What's his name, Mom?
Scoops, because he's a pelican and they scoop up fish in their beaks.
Yeah, because they have long, long beaks. I have so many birthday presents in here. Wow. Hey, where's his mouth?
I don't know. Guess it's there.
Maybe these black things are his
I
mouth.
think those are his antenna. Oh wait, here's his mouth. See, look. This is the antenna, and those are his eyes, and his nose, and his mouth down here.
Oh,